The Blue Mountains is one of Ontario's premier year-round vacation destinations. Blue Mountain is known as Ontario's favorite ski destination. It is the biggest public ski area in the province, with 365 skiable acres, a 720-foot vertical, and 42 runs, 30 of which are lit for night skiing. The Blue Mountains has a host of recreational activities for all the seasons. Most notably is the winter skiing, snowboarding, snowshoeing, and cross-country skiing. In the summer, there is hiking. European ski instructor Jozo Weider established Blue Mountain Resort in 1941. A Category F2 tornado passed through Craigley at the foot of Blue Mountain on August 20, 2009.